Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N. I got Ember down here chewing on her milk bone I gave her, carrying it all over, enjoying it as it dissolves in her mouth. And this video is the one I told you about, where I explain how you can go to my website or my YouTube. Jeez, I got to get this straight. Okay, let's start over again. I've done this so many times, and I'm interrupted by Ember or something goes wrong and get tongue-tied. Okay, just a minute. Okay, take two. Welcome back to Doggone RV'N, Travels with Ember. Like I said in my previous video, this is the one where I explain to all my viewers how they can request up to 2 sets of my logo sticker and my membership card. So, let me show you once more. This is my logo sticker designed by my son. And this one, if you can hear by the sound, it's not flimsy crap. This almost feels like vinyl. And it's a peel-off sticker. This thing will last through hell and high water, I bet you. And also, our membership card, which has our brand new logo on it. And for those of you that haven't seen this card or haven't read it when I showed it on my videos, I'll read it to those who haven't seen it. It says, "Be it known to all travelers that your name is a member in good standing of the Doggone RV'N Adventurers Club. The above person has a strong desire to be out in nature rather than confined by civilization in order to explore ghost towns, mountains, wild rivers, and deserts in search of the western and natural history of our lands and preserve their beauty." Now, over here on the side, people my age understand this. They get the joke. But some younger people I've had that read over this when I handed it to them asked me, "Who are these people?" Like, you don't know it's a joke? Let me read it to you. Okay, under the logo, it says President is Sunny Days. Then the Secretary is Knock on Wood. And the mentor is I be seeing you. Now, like I said, people my age know this is a humorous joke. They used to make these cards back in the 60s, 70s for every crazy thing you could think of. But maybe some people today that haven't seen that don't quite get it. But anyway, yeah. Oh, and on the back is what I would consider our mission statement for Doggone RV'N Adventure members. It says, "Doggone RV'N members do leave a small carbon footprint, take photos and memories only, pick up after their pets, appreciate the sounds of nature, recycle trash when possible, enjoy a campfire, learn to ID plants and animals, are respectful of nearby campers, carries vet records for their pet, believes in Smokey the Bear, and can hear the mountains calling." So, that's a little creative card that I made up quite a while ago for people interested in my channel that follow us. So, a set is 1 decal or sticker and 1 card. You can request up to 2 sets per email order. And how do you do that? Well, let's go to my YouTube homepage, which has been redesigned by my son for this new era with Ember. So let's go take a look at that. Here we are on my YouTube homepage for Doggone RV'N. And if you go right down here, you see the word More in dark print. Click on that. It'll take you to this. You go over here on the left and click on email address. And it'll bring up our email address. Now, to request up to 2 sets per order, you need to email me your full name, address, and zip code. And I will send 1 or 2 sets, whatever you request, up to 2 sets, out to you as soon as possible in a little 4-inch by 4-inch envelope. So it's just a way for me to get my image and information on my YouTube channel out to all the people that might not know about us yet. Now, I've noticed that our numbers slowly are going up, and that's great. That just means maybe more people are discovering us, finding out that our wide variety of interests and travels, well, interest more people. And that's good. What I'd like to do is try to get some kind of a dog travel community going here. Those that request the stickers and that, send me an email with their addresses. My plan is, oh, Ember. Ember's down here. Ember, what are you doing? Come here. Okay, you want, no, don't do that. My hope is to make a mailing list of all the people for my Adventurer'S Club. And what I want to do is, once we get out and start doing more things, every 2 weeks or every month, I'd send a end of the month wrap up of all the activities that Ember and I have done. It'll have more in-depth information about the places we visit and more photos that weren't shown on the video. So I guess it's my answer to requesting you to pay for Patreon or something else. And I don't need that because I'm not making these to live off them like a lot of people that think this is a business. So anyway, I've only got a select number of decals and cards printed. I had way too many last time, and I still got leftovers, thinking, well, I'd have more people to request them. So once these, I think 200 cards and 200 decals are sent out to those people that care enough to request them, the next printing I'm going to have to charge, because this quality, well, it don't come cheap. Okay, and I don't do half-ass stuff. I wasn't raised that way. So anyway, yeah, you go there, follow those directions, and important, in the subject matter, when you request a decal and sticker set, put in free decal and card request in your subject matter. That just helps me find it in the list of junk mail I'm sent, or regular mail that's just tossed in there. I swear, it's you get so much junk mail electronically now, it's just as bad as when you used to get it in the snail mail. But what are you doing, Ember? Ember, come here. Hey, come here. Come on. Get up. Ember, I need you to come here so I can show people. She's grown quite a bit. Good girl, come up here. Come on. No. She's fast. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Oh, come on. Jesus. Okay, so here's Ember. Hi, Ember. She knocked the mic off. Ember, look at those people out there. Look. Jesus, dog. Yeah, at times she can be a lover, and other times when she's got so much pent-up energy, She's like the Tasmanian devil, just terrorizing the whole house. I had to finally take the back pillows off the couch because they were just getting destroyed. So I put them out in the garage, and that got rid of her tearing those apart. She's not the one that did them all, though. Kate and Sarah, a long time ago when they were pups, started chewing on them. So they've been through many years. So anyway, hey, I'm not a chew toy. She's lost her lower canines, but they're growing in. Still has her baby canines on top. So I figure maybe when her bottom canines grow in, her baby canines on top will drop off. Okay? So sorry about the sound, but she can be a handful sometimes to hold on to. Okay, well, that's it. That's it, Ember. We're going to say bye, okay? Don't do that on the... Okay, look up here. Look up here. Come on. Yeah. There you are. Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys will take the time and request 1 or 2 sets of our decal and sticker and card, and help me get the word out about this new era of Doggone RV'N now with Ember. And like I said before, there might be another dog in the future. I am not sure about that yet. But okay, well, say so long, Katie. I still get them mixed up with Sarah and Katie. Okay, well, thanks a lot, and tune in next time to Doggone RV'N, my travels with Ember. Catch you later.